Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bagus Muhammad Ibrahim Rahman, and I'm gonna tell you about my room. And many people say room tour. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Okay, the first time it's my my gaming table, like a setup, not setup gaming, set like yeah. So that's pretty cool. And I have two gaming chair and keyboard mechanical for a stable position, just right, and mouse and another. And it's not like so pretty, pretty, yeah, like so crazy cable in there. Okay, and is that my old casing PC, and in backend is monitor like 70-inch. Okay, is that my bedroom, and is that yeah, my my trophy. Okay, is that a lot of my garbage for electronic, like a cable and yeah, like cable and electronic, like mouse and another environment and hardware in there. Okay, so okay, that like the how many garbage. Okay, so that my bed is size is 2 meter, how to say, kali with 1.8 meters, and the height is 2 meters. Yeah, 2 meters in square. Okay, is that my table? Just different table, just a basic table. Okay, is that my Rubik and my another item in here, like a lamp for the night, that my handphone. Okay, and how about in the chair, in the sorog, how to say sorog. Okay, the first time is like a garbage, and okay, it's at the old game. I know it's at the PS2 game, and it's at so maybe cannot to use it. It's at broke maybe, and some rider too. Okay, so that's so old. Many thing in here. Oh, I have to very old. You can ask that. Is that disket in from? Tar. How you review ba?
Ono iki maneh, ono iki pisan.
Is that my? Okay, is that so many? Yeah, that's it. Is that is old PC, like since 2020 and 8, 2008, and until to to 2011. Yeah, that's it. He should have a old PC. I have it. Okay, so you can bake it again to back to topic. Okay, is that my printer, and is that my the minimum. Okay, playing Discord too. Okay, so is that my room? Yeah, you know that. I have many poster of honey. I had that. Okay, so oh yeah, and back my doors have like you how to say, gantungan buat baju. I forget.
Ay durung
Okay.